It is December 29th, 2022. We're the vessel Artimus. It's just cleaned by Jason. I'm going to check her out. I'm going to ding you, Jason, for that. That's just my glove. And that came off really easily. So assuming everything else turns out okay, I'm just going to come back. Well, maybe that doesn't come off, but that should get hull spray in the future. Look at it, everything else that you did looked really good. So this does too. Sinks again, but the drives look good. A little bit of hair so far. I'm going to keep looking at her. Just a little bit of residue that was left I was able to easily wipe off. Let's look at the port side now. Okay, I'm going to say you did a good job, but, I mean, you know, that stuff right there definitely needs hull spray. Just a deal.